Hey guys, got the Limitless out today. Hopefully we can get a pass in here with this thing. Got the GPS on and testing. She's picking up. It's in that dip of the road down there where I can't see. It's just got to move it one way or another until you can start seeing it. Hopefully it's not off the road, so I lucked out this time. Alright guys, let's see what she did there. Still picking up. 158. Not bad. My last pass was 157. It's the third pass on this car. 158 is not bad at all. I'm not going to complain about that. As always guys, thanks for watching. Maybe we'll hit that 160 soon.